Welcome back to Knives and Tequila. Today, well, it's an important day because it's the last day you'll ever have to learn how to make meatloaf. You can throw away your grandmama's recipe, you can throw away your mama's, because today, well, I'm your mama, and we're making the world's best meatloaf. Enjoy. So this recipe is pretty damn easy considering it's 5 pounds of meat that you can eat all week long. The most difficult part is basically chopping up all these yellow onions. It calls for 3 cups of chopped yellow onions. So if you're gonna be lazy about it and not use the knife, you can buy them pre-chopped, or you can just do the dirty work. So I got a little carried away and didn't take off the skins. I'd imagine 2 yellow onions is probably 3 cups diced up. Guess we'll find out. All right, let's see what we're working with. We've got 1 cup. Yeah, crying. We've got 2 cups. Damn it. Cup number 3. Now that took forever and I'm crying. So buy them pre-diced, it's easier. Save you a lot of trouble. God damn it. Now that we have finally diced up all those onions, we're going in the pan. So a little bit of olive oil, throwing our onions on. It's about medium heat. We're gonna let this go for a little under 15 minutes. All right, with our onions, we're gonna add 2 teaspoons of ground pepper. We're gonna add a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of fresh thyme. And we're gonna move this thing around until it's translucent. So this is gonna take a little less than 15 minutes, but we're just gonna move this mush around. We can always pour up some tequila for future shooting. So before this gets all crazy brown, we're gonna start adding some more ingredients. First, it's gonna be some chicken stock. We're going 3/4 a cup. That's level, eye level. Sizzle. Then we're gonna add a 1/3 cup of Worcestershire sauce. Set it right. It's definitely not the handle you hold. That works. And teaspoon and a half tequila of tomato paste. Teaspoon and a half isn't much. Yeah. So now we're just gonna mix this up and allow it to cool to room temperature. This is the secret soup. Now you know. While we're waiting for them onion mush pile to get to room temperature, we're throwing down the meats. So we've got 3 pounds of this ground turkey. They come in 3-pound packs, so we're gonna have to leave 2 pounds in this last one. Yeah. Solid meat transfer. With our massive 5-pound mush pile, we also need 3 eggs. Double single hand. Unheard of. And then we need 1.5 cups of these breadcrumbs. Just right up to eye level, you know, perfect. And now I mush. Just gotta massage the meats. This isn't what's disturbing. What's disturbing is my hands are too dirty to take a shot. And now we're gonna throw down our onion mush. Time to get the hands dirty again. Now we need to soak in all the juice. You really gotta put in the work, you know? We don't want this super slimy. We want it to start getting a little dry so we can make these meat pucks. I lied to you earlier. I said it was gonna be a loaf, but it's gonna be a puck. We are now properly mushed Got to preheat the oven. Fired up to 325 to line the plate. While the oven's cranking up to 325, I'm gonna put a little foil down because I don't like doing dishes. How perfect, of course. And I don't want my pucks, don't want them sticking to nothing. Not today. This may be the most important part of the entire recipe. Puck formation. Now we want little ovals. We're not just gonna leave it like that. You wanna use the 5-finger exploding heart technique and push down into the center. I really don't know why, but I'm not gonna fight it. That's how they've always been made. Do so. So on this plate, I believe we'll be able to get 8 meat pucks. Throw it down, 5-finger. Sound effects make it taste better. Now you can use the 5-finger exploding heart, or if you got a pointy elbow, that'll work as well. You just need a little crevasse. All right, so now we got our pucks lined up. We just need the finishing touch. All it needs is a little bit of ketchup. So you can have fun with the designs, or you can just spray it real nice like that. How do you make these little Z's? All right, so our first 4, we're just going ketchup. The other 4, a little something new. Sriracha ketchup, because I like them to be a little spicy. And I honestly don't know what that's gonna taste like, but it's kind of what all this cooking stuff, that's terrible. I guess you do that in the sink first, right? There it is. Get all them juices out of there. Ketchup's on, we're going in the oven. 325 for an hour and a half, I know. But these are gonna last you forever. And like we typically do when we wait, we enjoy tequila. The plate is out. It's time. Oh, which one will I pick? I see you. And when you're dealing with the world's best meatloaf, you don't need a plate at all fancy like, you just eat. Yes, world's best. And it's even better when it's cold. I shit you not. Eat these little meat pucks cold, you're gonna love them. If you like what we got going on in the kitchen, be sure to subscribe to our channel, Knives and Tequila, for more recipes. And shots.